Hi, Sarah. Brent, this bill signing comes as multiple states have restricted access to reproductive care, specifically abortions. Governor Ned Lamont, lawmakers and advocates made a point of this at today's event, lauding Connecticut as a safe haven and a leader.
With liberty and justice for all. Not with liberty and justice for all unless you're a woman of childbearing age who happens to live in Florida or Texas or one of a dozen other countries. With liberty and justice for all. These are the American values.
Lamont quoting the Pledge of Allegiance Wednesday morning as he praised lawmakers and advocates for advancing reproductive rights legislation.
I love what we're doing in Connecticut and standing tall, and hopefully other states follow in our lead.
He signed 4 bills into law, allowing pharmacists to prescribe birth control, increasing access to reproductive health care services for college students, enacting protections for medical providers who offer reproductive health care, and establishing safeguards for patients' personal medical data.
The legislation we're passing here today is certainly protecting Connecticut citizens today, but it's also protecting our young adults and our children.
Legislators and advocates say these laws are essential in the aftermath of the U.S. Supreme Court's reversal of Roe v. Wade.
We have seen a 56% increase in patients who have traveled from the 18 states that have banned abortion. The reality is people shouldn't have to leave their home communities to access essential health care, but they do.
Medical providers say there's still more work to be done.
The reproductive care isn't just about being able to access an abortion. It is about being able to receive routine quality care. And if people can't even access those on a regular basis, we still have a lot of gaps to fill.
Those gaps, lawmakers in the Reproductive Rights Caucus say they want to prioritize next session.
Sometimes to do things right, it takes a little bit of time, and I'm hopeful that time is passing and the work is happening and the conversations are happening, and we'll be able to move forward soon.
And Senator Flexer discussing a possible constitutional amendment there in Connecticut to codify the right to an abortion into the state constitution, not just in state law. Governor Lamont also making a plea to Congress today, saying he hopes Washington picks up the message and, quote, forwards what we have to do so we don't have to keep playing this rearguard action. Sarah, Brent.